Now we are going to do the complex math functions which are in the math library. For this purpose, we first of all we import the math library by the keywords import math in the start of the program. How to use a math library, I have explained this in the tutorial. You will see the code, how can I import the math library, how can I use the square root function, the square function, the sine, etc. Now we are going to hands-on with the math library. First of all, I will import the math library. Here I am commenting for your understanding, import math. After that I am writing a variable like x is equal to 2 and math dot, for I am taking square of this x variable, like for by this way, math dot power, first of all the number x and after that taking power 2. So after printing it will print the square of x. So and we have already given the value of 2, so 2 square is equal to 4. For your understanding, I am writing some statement with this square of your number, square of x, your number. So if we take the x from the user will enter some integer and we will make square for the user. Let's suppose for the scientific calculator we take input from user and we calculate square root square for the user. So for this purpose we will take input from the user and I enter a number 7, and here you can see square of your number is 49.0. It's a float number because after squaring it's convert to the float. So now we are doing some square root function. For this purpose I using math, import math library math dot square root and of x. So after printing z, it will give the square root of 7. So we will see this square root of your number is a statement and comma z. So this will execute. Let's suppose I am entering 6. So square of your number is 36 and square root of your number is 2.449, etc. After that I am taking cube of your number. Let's suppose we are taking a cube. For the cube, what we'll do, we will give math dot power POW. In the argument, first we will write the number. Our number is x and we are taking cube. For the cube we write root 3. So after entering the inside the print statement, my statement cube of number and cube, it will execute cube of number. It will be taking the cube. So I'm entering 4. Here you can see square of your function is 16, square root is equal to 2.0 and cube is equal to 64. So these are some basic math functions. You can also take log, sine, cosine, inverse sine. Here I'm taking sine for your understanding, so you can use any one of them. I'm giving a variable sine of number, so and put math dot sine of x. X is the number which we have taken from the user, and now I am printing sine of number. Here you will see it will take the sine of your number. So here I am entering a number. Let's suppose I am entering 36. So square of your function is equal to 1296. Square root of your function is 6 and cube of your function is this, and here you can see after taking the sine it gives the value of 0.99. We can also take more functions, log and any other functions you want to take, but these were some examples for your understanding. Here I am commenting that you can take any function of complex mathematics and you will use this in the scientific calculator project which you have to submit. So this is very important for you. and this is very easy because we don't need to take sum of two numbers to do some anything else. We have just to enter the arguments.